Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make cherry topping. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of pitted cherries, which is about 500 grams, 1 cup of white sugar, juice of 1 lemon, or you can use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. To make your cherry topping, take a pan, put it on medium heat, add your cherries and your sugar, give it a quick mix and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it regularly. As the mixer starts to heat up, all the sugar would have dissolved and the juices from the cherries would have been released, making the mixture quite runny. After 10 minutes, mix the lemon juice and corn flour together and add it to the cherry mixture. Mix it well and cook it for a further 2 minutes or until the mixture thickens slightly. Turn the heat off, take it out in a dish and cool it down completely. Enjoy it on your favorite ice cream, pavalovas and cheesecakes. My cherry topping is ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.